Here I have the Chillsun air mattress. I'm going to be giving you a quick guide on how it actually works. It has a built-in inflator, which is nice. It has the option to inflate, deflate, and turn off. So right now I'm showing how to turn it on after you plug it in. It has an actual plug that's built in and easily comes out of the compartment. And so right now I'm showing how to turn it on for inflation. You can hear the actual motor, so you know that it's actually turning on. The material itself is nice and soft. You got like a velvet cover, durable. The material is real thick. It's not too heavy. And then when you go to deflate, you just open up the door, plug it back in, go back to the switch, and turn from off to deflate. So right now I'm showing you deflate. As you can see, I'm putting the plug back into this compartment. Because in it deflates really fast. So it inflates really fast and it also deflates really fast. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.